Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Yuda. I am from MNG 23 and my NPM is 2034 111148. In this presentation, I can explain about the weakness of public transportation and service, and an exploration of the critical challenge undermining transit system worldwide and their impact on millions of daily commuters. Next slide. Public transit on the edge funding crisis. Pandemic era federal support has ended, leaving transit engine fishing unpredictable like threatening service but cut on route elimination. The result strong communities, frequently longer wait and increase fares distress when daily commuters who depend on reliable transportation. Federal support ended. Pandemic funding dried up, leaving agency. And next slide. Surprise in a in finances and ridership this line. Post-pandemic ridership remains significant depressed, but ridership has dropped 14, while train ridership and 28 compared to pre-pandemic level. Multiple stop and transfer extend commuting times, creating inefficient network. Transit agency struggle with impossible balance, maintaining cost effective while preserve and service that rider demand. Bus ridership down 14 pre-pandemic level, train ridership at 28 from pre-pandemic level. Cost pressure, balancing cover with affordability, route inefficiency, multiple stop extend commuting times. Accessibility gaps and transport the disadvantage. Transit inequalities persist across geography, significant disparity in access divide cities and rural areas, creating to tight transportation system. Rural residents in places like Hong Kong face long walk stop and infrequent service. Limited transit access correlates directly with higher unemployment, reduced access to education and healthcare, and diminishes economic mobility for vulnerable population. Next slide. Poor ride experience, safety, cleanliness, and comfort. US transit system rampant and safety concerns, poor hygiene and clean issue, overcrowding and lack of privacy, and deterring ride from using service. Leading global system, Tokyo explains cleanliness standard, Paris safety first approach, strong ride confidence and usage, premium passenger experience design. Management failure and financial intervention. A trouble productive and US transit agencies spend more per rider than global counterparts, yet deliver inferior result, calling mismanagement, union-driven invest, and corruption drain resources. US agency lack transparency and profit-driven intensive. This cultural disadvantage perpetuate and West underperform. Higher and higher spending, low result. US against X global spending yet underperformers. Systemic mismanagement, chronic accountability gaps in trail research. And last one is lack of market leadership. Absence of profit is incentive enable ongoing waste. Equity challenge and unfair burden. Transit funding dynamic level, complex equity Tension will some argue transit subsidy unfairly burden motorist transit system. Often predominantly low income rider who hike transportation alternative service but cut disproportionate harm this population who depend on transit. One is low income dependent transit service population with limited alternative. Two, this disproportional impact of cut service reduction harm to who depend most on transit. Inequality of amplification reduce transit option within economic, social, and gaps. The future is outright total reform with the disease action on governance, funding, and innovation. Public transit face according decline. Emerging solution offer hope, demand responsive transit, oriented development, innovative policies can transform systems, strategic investment to restore reliability, accessibility, and rider trust is urgent. The meaningful reform in narrowing as again infrastructure determinism and ridership erodes further. Demand response transit, flexible on demand service model adapted to user needs. Transit oriented development, fair policy innovation, and restored system. Addressing public transit weakness is essential. Public transportation, vital infrastructure, and equitable, sustainable urban life, fixing funding crisis, management failure, and service gap transfer transit into a reliable backbone for community strategic investment in modernization. Government reform and rider focus service pathway forward. Time act. The time to act is now. Support smart reform and to build transit system that serve from effectivity. Strategic investment, fund infrastructure modernization and service expansion, government reform, improve management and accountability system. Rather focus design system prioritizing user experience and equity. Okay, thank you very much. This is my presentation. Thank you for the listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.